Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial on basics of MATLAB programming. In this tutorial, let us discuss looping statement in MATLAB, that is for loop and while loop in MATLAB. First, let us see the for loop statement. This is the proper syntax for loop. So for is the keyword, index, the variable to be used here, is equal to initial value and final value. Based on this initial and final value, this statement is executed for more number of times. So every for must have end. This is the proper syntax for loop. Let me demonstrate a sample program on a for loop. For I is the index 1:10. I want to print this I value. Now what happened? 1 to 10. This value is to be printed here. Run this code. You can see the result on a command window. It is printing 1 to 10. The same for loop, you can also include the step value at which you want to increment this number. Say for example, instead of 1 to 10 in steps of 1, you can also increase 1 to 10 in steps of 0.5. I'll provide 0.5 here. That means 1, 1.5, 2 in this way, it is likely to be displayed here on the command window. Let me check out this once again. Have a look at the result. 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and so on till 10. So you can also have provision like this, step at which the number likely to be incremented. Even in a for loop, you can use continue and break statement. Now I will tell you how to use break statement here. I can provide some condition. Break. Now I run this code. See the result in command window. So it is displaying 1, 1.5, 2 till 5. Since I use break here, this break this for loop once I value reaches 5. Similarly, you can also use continue statement in this for loop. Have a look at this code. A if condition, you could observe some changes. I is greater than 5 and a display at the bottom, whereas no break instead of that continue statement is available. Let us analyze this code. As long as I is less than 5, these 3 lines of code is not executed. Hence 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 till 5 output is displayed. At once 5.5 is the I value, then this condition becomes true. Next line is executed, continue. It will continue to execute the for loop. So it won't go beyond this if condition. It will continue to execute the for loop. How long it will continue to execute? Till last I value, that is 10. So this code is going to print the value between 1 to 5, but not beyond 5. Let me check it out. Run this code. See the result in command window. So it starts from 1, 1.5, 2 till 5. Continue statement is used in for loop to skip some of the iteration based on condition. Next, let us see what is nested for loop. For loop within for loop is nested for loop. For I is equal to 1 to 3 for j is equal to once again 1:3 a of I comma j is equal to 1, then n and n. I hope you can understand this code. I am going to create 3 cross 3 matrix with each element in the matrix is assigned with 1. Display A. Run this code and see the result. 3 cross 3 matrix with all elements are 1. And this is how nested for loop is used in MATLAB. Next I will show you how to use while loop in MATLAB. For a while loop, this is a proper syntax or format. While, then condition. If the condition is true, the statements are executed. Then as usual, for a while there must be n. Consider the sample program. N is equal to 10. While n is greater than 5, this condition becomes true. It is going to display the corresponding n value and one decrement takes place on n. Now what happened on this code? As long as n value greater than 5, that is displayed here as output. But soon after n is less than 5 because of this decrement, so those values are not displayed. That means this is going to print the value between 10 towards 6, not below 6. Let me run this code and check the result. See this 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Once n value is 5, so this condition is violated, so it won't go to this 2 lines of code. So this is how while loop is working on MATLAB. I hope you enjoyed this video with the learning of for and while loop in MATLAB. For more update, subscribe my channel.